Hi everyone, let's talk about how to do a search in one of the library's databases. I'm here in EBSCO General Databases, which is one of the library's most commonly used databases. EBSCO General Databases is going to search many different journals and books to find you results. While all of the library databases may look a little different, they will all function in a similar way. EBSCO General Databases has two search options, Basic and Advanced. A basic search is good if you're only searching using one keyword. I am going to click on Advanced Search so that I can search multiple keywords at once. Today, I'm doing research on how preschool can help students with academic success. In the first search box, I'm going to type in my first search term, which is preschool. Like I mentioned, the advanced search is good for when you have multiple keywords to search. This is because the advanced search will use connector terms, also called Boolean operators, to help you focus your search more. I'm going to use different Boolean operators today, like OR, because I'm going to be searching for preschool or nursery school. Since both of those terms mean a similar thing, and I want to make sure I'm finding as many articles as possible. I also want to make sure that I put nursery school in quotation marks, since I want to search this phrase together as opposed as individual words. I'm also going to add academic success in quotation marks using the Boolean operator and, because I'm interested in finding articles about academic success in either preschools or nursery schools. So 162,971 results are way too many to look through. But never fear, EBSCO has some great filters that we can use to narrow down our search further. While we are only looking at the EBSCO database in this video, many of the other SCC library databases are going to have similar filtering options. I can see filtering options right here on the side under Refine Results. So first I'm going to limit to full text. Limiting to full text will ensure that these are articles that the SCC library does have access to. Another way to limit down our search is by publication date. I'm going to limit my search down to articles that were published in the last 10 years. We could also limit by source type. Let's say that I'm only interested in searching for academic articles today. A few other ways to narrow down a search further could be to look at other subject terms that are tied to your search results. Hint, always take a look at these anyway because they make great keywords for future searching. You could also search by publication name or even by language. Today, I'm going to search by publication name. And I'm going to click on the Early Childhood Education Journal because the articles that are published in that journal sound like they would align well with my topic. And now I'm down to 312 results, which is way more manageable than my original over 162,000 results. If I see an article that I like, I can click on the title here. Once I click on the title, I will be taken into the record page for the article, where I can see all of the information that I'm going to need for my MLA or APA citation, including the name of the article, the author's name, the name of the journal, the publication date, volume number, issue number, and page numbers. I can also see an abstract for the article, which is going to be a one-paragraph summary of what the article is about. I can read the full text of my article by clicking right here where it says PDF full text, although sometimes you might see that it says HTML full text instead. After I click on PDF full text, I'm taken into the article itself where I can read through the article. You'll also see here on the side that we do have some tools for you, including a link directly back to this article, a print button, an email button, download options, and even a citation button. However, make sure that you always double check your MLA or APA citation against the research guides on the library's website because sometimes these citations that are auto-generated by the databases are not very perfect. If you have any questions about how to search in one of the EBSCO databases, please feel free to ask a librarian.